Welcome back to our channel. So let us check some of the latest job opportunities. The first one is from Wipro. They are hiring for the job role analyst. Location will be Gurugram and experience required is 0 to 18 months. Means freshers can apply for this role. Eligibility is like high school graduate or graduate in degree. You can check out some of the details about the Wipro company. What are the roles and responsibilities like maintain quality standards, trend analysis and decision making, policy and system management, staff communication and evaluation, compliance and reporting. Also, you can check out some of the required skills and qualification over here. Again, why you should join the Wipro company, you can check out in this section. And here is the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Let us check out another opportunity. Okay, so this one is from PayPal company. They are hiring for the job role data scientist. Location will be Chennai and Bangalore. Experience requires freshers can apply for this role, and eligibility is bachelor degree in quantitative discipline. Okay, so you can check out some of the details about the PayPal company. What are the required roles and responsibilities for data analysts like opportunity binding, KPI monitoring, data-driven innovation, insight interpretation, collaboration. Also, you can check out what are the required skills and qualifications for this role like a bachelor's degree, communication skills, collaboration, technical proficiency, analytical mindset. And here why you should join the PayPal company, like what are the key benefits you will get if you are joining them. Here is the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Let us check out another opportunity. This one is from Ericsson. They are hiring for job role software developer. Again, the location is Bangalore and freshers can apply for this role. Eligibility is any graduate can apply for this role. You can check out some of the details about the Ericsson company over here. What are the roles and responsibilities you can check out over here, like software development, integration, component and system testing, other to best practices, asset creation. You can check out required skills and qualifications over here. Also, why you should join the Ericsson company, and here is the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Friends, always try to read all these details and prepare your resume accordingly so that your resume will stand out and you can get selected. Okay, and also prepare for this required skills and responsibilities they have mentioned. If you want to prepare for the interviews, you can check out our interview preparation playlist on this channel. Also, pseudocode and logical programming questions if you want to clear the test for the jobs. And also check out our job opportunities playlist where we upload daily job openings so that you will never miss any update. And check out if you have missed any videos, and subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends so that you will never miss any further updates from us. Let us check out another opportunity. This one is for FinOps analyst. Okay, so in Amazon, they are hiring for finance analysts, like location will be Bangalore and experience is 0 to 1 years. Eligibility degree or master's degree in finance or accounting. You can check out details about the Amazon company and the roles and responsibilities. You can check out here like invoice matching, maintain accuracy level, productivity target. You can check out required skills and qualifications over here and why you should join the Amazon company. Here's the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Let us check our another opportunity. This one is from Genpact company. They are hiring for management training in Jodhpur. Freshers can apply. The eligibility is BCom and MBA. You can check out details about Genpact. Here are some of the roles and responsibilities you can check out. And required skills are mentioned here like order to cash experience, communication skills, MS Office proficiency, analytical skills, collaboration. Here are the key details or benefits what you will get if you are joining the Genpact company. And here is the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Let us check out another opportunity. This one is for trainee junior data analyst in Mumbai. From 0 to 3 years you can apply. Eligibility is any graduate, and Cognizant company is hiring for this role. You can check out some of the details about the Cognizant roles and responsibilities. You can check out over here. AI model optimization, collaborative AI solution, technical troubleshooting, data analysis, AI model validations. Also, you can check out required skills and qualifications for this role. You can check out what are the benefits you will get if you are joining the Cognizant company. And here is the apply now button so that you can directly apply for this role. Okay, friends, so if you have missed any videos from us, you can check out job opportunity playlist and also interview preparation playlist if you want to prepare for the interviews. So thanks for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.